Hi and welcome back to the channel. This is just a short video. It's been quite a while now since I've posted anything constructive on repairing anything on the Lotus Elan, and I suppose I've been a bit hesitant in starting to tackle the bodywork because it does look a bit daunting to me. Anyway, I'm determined to have a good go at doing it myself, and I've been umming and ahhing over which part to actually tackle first. And I've come up with this idea, tackling the headlamp bowls. Now there are some damage to these bowls which I'll show you now. I'll show you what needs to be done on them and how I'm going to tackle it. So if you're interested in seeing this first part of the bodywork saga, stay tuned. Now, sometime in the past of this Lotus Elan, it's had a front section of body fitted because of, I guess, crash damage, and these two headlamp bowls may not be original to the car. I don't know that. This one, which is the offside one, seems to be in reasonably good condition and doesn't need a great deal of work to it. Little bits and pieces, but not as much as this one, which is the near side. Now, the glass fibre on this looks thicker. Well, it is thicker, and there's quite a bit of filler in it where someone's tried to do some repairs, as you can see down here. And I decided to weigh them because I knew there was a fair difference in weight. Now this one weighs nearly 900 grams and this one weighs 670 grams, so there's a 220 gram difference, and I would have thought that's a fair amount, or rather you wouldn't expect it to be that much different, to be honest, from one bowl to another. I mean, that's what, 25% difference. So yeah, anyway, let's have a look at these headlamp bowls in a bit more detail, see what damage is done to them, has been done to them, and the bad fixes that have been done, and what I'm going to do about it. Okay, this is the offside headlamp cowl bowl, call it what you will, and it's not in bad condition. I mean, there's a few stress cracks here and there, just down there, and there's a few somewhere else, a few there, but and a few here, and overall it's in quite good condition. There's a little bit of glass fibre that needs putting in there, or drilling out, or grinding out and refilling with fiberglass. And also there's a little area there, but all in all it's not bad. I mean, you've still got, I presume this grey stuff is the original gel coat, and it's been sanded off, ground off on the top here, so that needs to be prepared for painting. So I'll probably tissue over that after I've got all this ground away, all of the rest of the filler that remains on there, is getting into a condition that I can apply some tissue and repair all these stress cracks, etc. But in general, I don't think that's going to be too difficult a job. But if you compare it to the near side one, and you can really feel the difference in weight, and if you look at the, whoops, let's get the right way around. The thickness of the glass fibre here is way more than in this one. Whether it came out like this in the factory or it's a aftermarket replacements made by someone else. I just do not know. But anyway, if we look down here, get a little bit closer, just zoom in a bit. If we look here, there's been some damage to the glass fibre, and what they've done is just fill over, and as you can see, it's just coming away. Well, I can't do it with my fingernails, but believe me, it will come away. So that all needs to be got out and re-glass fibred around here. And you can see the thickness there. A lot of that is filler, but also a substantial amount is glass fibre. And then we've got damage here, here, around here, around the bobbin, here, some stress cracks around here. So this particular cowl needs a lot more work on it. So I'll start off with preparing. Let me zoom out again. So I'll probably start off with the preparation of this one, which shouldn't take me too long. At least get it ready for applying tissue. And this one, I'll be grinding out all of this area, grinding out these areas, getting rid of all the filler. Same with this area, grinding out that, and all the other areas of damage, and then filling it with glass fibre. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Oh, and one other thing, if you get it at the right angle, if I can. This bobbin needs a bit more reinforcement, I think, because it's totally different to the other one. So that needs to be done as well. So this is just a short video to say what the first job on the repair of the bodywork is going to be. I'll be covering it in relatively good detail, as I don't think there's a great deal on YouTube or on other video sites detailing bodywork repair, especially by someone who is fairly new to this game. I do have a little bit of experience of glass fibre work, but not to this extent. So you can follow me warts and all on the repair of these over the next couple of weeks. I've got to order some stuff, which should be here in 3 or 4 days, but in the meantime I can prepare it. You can follow along, and yep, that's it. Short video. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see and you like what's going to come. So thanks for watching.